Hey people, well here's my next fan that we're visiting. This is a 1971 Kmart made by Lakewood, model P-23. Last one I showed was a model K-23-W from 1975. Well, this is a model P-23. And this one also has its original box. It says Kmart. Below it has a slogan, satisfaction always. They were about satisfaction back in those days. Not so these days. And over here it says 3-speed 20-inch fan, model P-23. Outstanding air moving performance, aluminum propeller blades, electro welded steel cabinet. There's what it has on the side. Manufactured in USA for SS Kresge Company, Troy, Michigan. It still has it listed as SS Kresge. And there's the top. There's the shipping info. This was went to a Kmart store in Erie, Pennsylvania. The other side and the back are the same. And here's the fan itself. See, it's got the Lakewood 3-rivet metal blades. It's my second Lakewood box fan with that blade set. The first being my 75 K23-W. We'll have an overall look at the fan, then we'll fire it up. As you can see, it's in that light aqua color. It's got the little white plugs to cover the holes for the stand. They used those until about mid-73, then they went to the square holes with the fold-in flaps. And here's the other side. Here's the back. As you can see, it's got the older style motor mount, which just wraps around the motor. And this, of course, has the regular Macmillan motor. Date count on the motor is H71, meaning this was produced in August of 1971. So to my surprise, it was sometime in the summer of 71 that Kmart decided to discontinue the Windsor brand and just put the store's brand on their fans. Turn this around. Get a good view of the top. And this has the older style sticker with the red and aqua Kmart logo. And what's really rare is this one has that fancy sticker in the center of the speed dial, which says speed selector and has that little star in the middle. Sweet. Another user, YouTube user, LocoHog91 has one just like that. I may make this a video response to the one that he did, or the video that he did. And while the fan is like near mint for the most part, if you look in the bottom, there's some big rust spots. Yeah, you can barely see them. And there's some and it's got some rust on the outside bottom too. This is probably stored in a damp area, because not only is there rust on the bottom, there's like some water stains on the box. Anyway, now run this. Here's high. And like all these Lakewood P-23 box fans, it does throw out a good amount of air. There's medium. Low. And this one has kind of a faster low compared to the K23-W, but still pretty good and low. Back to high. And as always, OFF spells off. And it's got good coast down time too. And of course, what video of a Lakewood P-23 would be complete without the good old classic startup sound? The startup sound on this one's kind of subtle compared to most other Lakewood P-23s. It's not as prominent as some, but it's there. Here's startup sound. I got a Country Air branded one in avocado green that's got a really nice startup sound. That one I'll be doing in a few weeks when that one's turn to be used. This is the one I'm using in the living room this week. So there you have it. That's my 1971 Kmart by Lakewood model P-23. Thank you for watching.